Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the low-voltage wire harness in this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the range away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the lower screw, securing the power cord retaining plate. Next, unthread the 6 mounting screws, securing the range's lower rear access panel. With the screws unthreaded, detach the panel and set it aside. Disconnect the low-voltage wire harness connector from the oven relay board. Detach the wire retainer securing the wires. Then disconnect the oven sensor wire connector. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the door lock motor switch. Then disconnect them. Next, open the oven door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the main top. With the screws unthreaded, pull the main top forward to fully remove. Next, unthread the 3 screws securing the induction coil support panel. Shift the support panel to the right. Now disconnect the door switch wires and pull the wires free of the air duct. You can now fully remove the old wire harness. To install the new low-voltage wire harness, feed the door switch wires through the hole in the rear panel and under the air duct. Connect the wires to the door switch terminals. Reposition the induction coil support panel and thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Reinstall the main top by aligning the sides under the front support bracket. Then carefully slide the top back, pressing the induction coils down as you do this. With the top in place, thread the 3 screws in front to fully secure it. Returning to the rear of the appliance, Connect the door lock motor switch wires to the terminals. Connect the oven sensor wire connector. Now connect the low voltage wire connector to the oven relay board and secure the wires with the wire retainer. Reinstall the lower rear access panel by first inserting the power cord retaining plate, then align the notches on the bottom of the access panel with the tabs. Tuck the upper edge of the panel under the upper access panel. Then thread the 6 screws to secure. Rethread the lower screw to secure the power cord retaining plate to the access panel. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the power cord back in, and the induction range should be ready for use.